Hi, my name is Yuna and today I'm opening this cute Kawaii animal activity case. So I got pink on the side, look, and I got purple on this side. Then I got yellow, cyan on the side, then orange, then dark blue, and then orange. I got the cute animals, double super sweet pals with awesome Kawaii art. First, we're gonna get out our black marker and draw one of these because I know how to draw. I usually don't know how to draw like those, like the ones that are on the screen. So I'm just copying them. I'm just copying tiny for. This one's not perfect. Okay. Yeah, I don't draw perfect. I'm not. Okay, so now I'm going to draw Bunny in a race. So I'm gonna draw. I'll try to. This is my cute Kawaii animal activity case, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Subscribe and leave a like, and I'll see you next time. Bye!